Forgot your Microsoft username? You're not alone. We'll guide you through a simple recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Microsoft account sign-in page. Click on Forgot Username to start your recovery. Step 2. You'll be prompted to enter your recovery phone number or email. This is linked to your account. Step 3. Check your email or phone for a message from Microsoft. This will include your username. Finally, if you don't have access to your recovery info, click on I don't have any of these for further options. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your Microsoft username. Use it wisely. Remember to keep your recovery options up to date to avoid future hassles. Make sure to bookmark the Microsoft sign-in page for easy access in the future. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Stay tech savvy, and see you next time.